Yo, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please subscribe so I can feed my children. If it keeps going like this, they might not be able to get food because I put all my money into my car. Anyway, don't be like me. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to probably do a point of view and show off the f***ing burbles on this thing. I never really have them on, so this is new and obnoxious. So I think a little point of view, show off the car, show off the burbles. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a couple revs. I don't know, I think I left my thing at home to stand up this Osmo, so I'm gonna have to lean it up against this. And this is about to peak the mic for sure. I'm gonna have to do this and then leave. But enjoy, alright? Let's see if I can do this. You're gonna have to deal with that angle. Am I recording? So as you can see, very obnoxious. Will be turning the burbles back off, but had to get a video or two before I did that. So let's strap this thing on my head and go for a nice little point of view. Alright, there's nowhere better to drive a loud point of view video other than a quiet residential area. Dude, that's so loud! Alright, so keep in mind, I put it on like the medium aggressiveness. I put the duration on like 0.7. Maybe I'll just throw in a screenshot of what it is when I'm turning it back to stock. But medium aggressiveness, 0.7 duration. Like, nothing's crazy, and these things are loud. I'm literally catlit. I'm fully straight piped, pretty much. No diddy, but still, bro. This is loud as fuck for what this is. Damn, bro, I think I scared the fuck out of my friend's puppy, too. I fucking hate burbles, bro. The fun driving is coming soon. I just can't really do it now. I'm also probably gonna edit most of this shit out anyway. I'm leaning so hard. I don't even know what the fuck the lyrics are, bro. R.I.P. Fredo. I'm so sorry. That's so bad, bro. For your turbos and shit. Like, actually horrible. Let's just see where this goes. I don't know where the fuck I am, actually. Yeah, so I don't know where the fuck I'm going. But I'm just cruising around. Actually, this is the exit I wanted to take. This is a little bit of scenery, scenic bullshit. It's a road that's not really residential, so I don't feel bad about all the pops and bangs and shit. That shit's ridiculous, you know? Santa! So now I gotta wonder if I keep going right. Oh my god, look, there's salt. real salt, bro. They need it around here, but I think that's a fucking Titan Cummins up there, which is kind of cool. I don't really see him anymore. Oh, look at that. How we doing? Are over in this area, but at least now you're getting some more ripping before it gets back to fucking too many people. I don't know how salt affects traction either, so let's relax. So do I know what it's like if I turn fucking right? Oh, let's turn right. Fuck it. Look at that, yeah. This goes like all the way up. I don't even know. This road more for sure. Can't drive like too much of an asshole when you don't know the roads, you know what I mean? This shit is so loud. It's way louder with the windows fucking open, obviously. It's just hard to do that because it gets all windy and shit. City, bro. Did not know you could see that from here. That's wild. Damn. Yo, this is steep, bro. Tractor trailers coming this way? Hell no. fast I could get on that guy's ass. No, did he? Shit's still recording. Damn, bro. Pretty good. So that's pretty much all I got for that. I don't know. Fun time, kind of hard time during the day to get good clips and shit. That is so great. A lot of wind noise too. I guess it's windy out. Bro, I was behind a truck and it sprayed fucking like Diddy oil. I don't know what this is, but I don't know, bro. It was coming out the back, pause, and now it's all over my windshield. But yeah, no, I don't really know. You hear that shit, bro? That's crazy. This shit's getting turned back off pretty soon. You know, like, subscribe, all that shit. Gonna be more consistent. Actually, this time I really would like to, you know, whether if I'm making a couple cents off each video, it's on a good trajectory. So I would like to start making some sort of money on YouTube this year, and bring you guys my way, and, you know, grow with everyone. So hopefully that'll happen. I'm gonna work towards it. I don't know. I don't really know what else to say. So like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.